Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim, and today I thought I would try out OxiClean versus Bleach. Now you can see I have a couple socks set up here. These are my ped socks. I wear them all summer long, and they are disgusting. Like really disgusting. So this pair here was just washed with a regular wash of hot water, probably about a cup of bleach, in just like a regular load of laundry. These here are ones that I just wore. Now, this isn't just from one wear. They've been getting dingy over the course of wearing them, and they're disgusting. So I want to see which one of these is going to work better. This is not sponsored by anybody. This is just something I'm doing for myself because I can't stand the way my socks look anymore. When I went to put them on the other day, I'm like, oh God, they're awful. So let's see what works best here. Now, I will say this with the OxiClean, I do like the fact that if I get this on my colors that I have on today, my jeans or my shirt, I don't have to worry. This, however, if I get it on what I'm wearing today, I'm kind of screwed, and I really like my shirt. I like the color, so hopefully I don't get it on me today, but let's see which one of these is going to do a better job. So for my soaks, I'm doing a 1/4 cup of bleach and 8 cups of water. And for my oxy mixture, I'm going to do a 1/2 scoop of oxy and again 8 cups of water, which is about a 1/2 gallon of water. Now I'm just going to mark which one is my bleach mixture and which one is my oxy mixture, although you can really tell because the oxy does have more of a sudsy detergent feel and look to it. So here you see I put my shower liner in to soak in the bleach mixture as well with my socks because that is one of the pros of bleach. It is a great disinfectant too. Another thing I do like about bleach is I like to do it as one of the last loads of laundry I do because I feel like it kind of disinfects my washer as well. And so there's another pro for the bleach side. So I kind of made this an all-day laundry kind of thing, so I'm hoping you guys are getting some motivation and maybe just throw in a couple loads of laundry because I know it is not fun and we all need that little push to get that laundry done. But I gotta say, once you get it done, it kind of feels good because guess what? Everybody has clothes then. Nobody's running around the house naked.
the night away, I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
Be sure you guys hang out till the end because I will show you a before and after of the socks once everything is finished.
I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws.
It's created a little washing machine on top of the washing machine. Alright guys, so welcome back to the next day. It has been 24 hours since I've done this soak. And I guess let's do, you know what? It says to do a normal wash. So I guess let's not judge yet. Let's do a normal wash and then we'll see what happens.
You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your parts. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Alright guys, so we have finally finished this load of laundry and it feels like it took forever. And that's only because I did a 24-hour soak on the OxiClean socks. So here's kind of a close-up of what they look like. And I'll insert pictures of the before I did the soak and the wash. Now they did come clean, a little better than they were. But this is my bleach side too. And they too came clean. I'm going to do some pros and cons of these real quick because there definitely are, things to look at here. For instance, I'm going to go with the cons of the bleach. Sorry guys to start out with the bad stuff, but it could harm the fabric, which we know, anytime, even when you get bleach on your jeans or anything, it takes the color out, which that's definitely not a good thing. You have to worry about what you're wearing when you're using your bleach, and because you don't want to get a splatter and then it winds up being destroying your clothing. Then we also have the strong smell. I mean, let's face it, even when we try to do like the scented bleaches, they still have a really strong odor to them. And for me right now, bleach is hard to find. I have had luck sometimes at Walmart, but even there are times where I do order a little thing of bleach and it's not in stock. So it is kind of hard to find. And that's because the fact that it is a disinfectant. So when I did my load of bleach washing, I also threw in my shower liner and stuff like that because I knew, that tends to get a little soap scum or any kind of mildew on it. And because the bleach is a disinfectant, I like to use it for that stuff. So now we're going to move over to the OxiClean. And, I'm going to go again. Some of the cons with the OxiCleans is it's not a disinfectant. It took a way longer time to soak. I soaked these socks for 24 hours. You can go 6, but I did the 24. It too has a strong smell. Not as bad as bleach. You have more of the chemical smell of bleach. The OxiClean, I think, has a strong detergent smell to it. And it's way more expensive, which is a con, absolutely. I mean, that bin of OxiClean that I have is, I think it was like $8. The little thing of concentrated bleach that I bought was only $1.98. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the results. But I'd say probably for the money, in my personal opinion, I think I would just stick with the bleach, just for the cost effectiveness of it and the disinfectant. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up if you did. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll do more of these kind of verses, I guess you would call them. Plus, I'm always doing some kind of decluttering and cleaning of some sort. So be sure you're subscribed if you'd like to see more videos like that. Bye, guys.
Into